everyone, so in this video I'm going to explain first what is communication, 2 what is the nature of communication, 3 what are its elements, and lastly how does the process of communication happen. So communication is a process of sharing and conveying messages or information from one person to another within and across channels, contexts, media, and culture.
Hello? Is this Rachel Delicacies Delivery?
Yes, Rachel's Delicacies Delivery. Good morning. Do you want to order, ma'am?
Yes.
Can I take your order, ma'am?
Can I order moche, assorted photo, and photo bonbon?
Sure, ma'am. Is that all your order, ma'am? How about your drinks, ma'am? Would you like to try our fresh orange juice?
Yeah. I want to try it. Just one, please.
I repeat your order, ma'am. So, your all order are matcha, assorted puto, puto bongbong, and your drinks is fresh orange juice.
Yeah. That's all.
Your total payment is worth 350 pesos, ma'am. How can you deal it? Would you like to pay it in cash or in card?
I pay it in cash.
May I know your cash, ma'am, so that I can prepare the change?
My cash is 350 only. No need to change.
May I know your complete address, ma'am?
Phase 3, Lot 8, Block 22, Dios Caretas Village, Upper Tominobo, Iligan City.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for ordering our delicacies. Just wait in 20 minutes so we prepare your order. And have a great day, ma'am. 1. Communication is a process. 2. Communication occurs between two or more people, the speaker and the receiver. 3. Communication can be expressed through written or spoken words, action, or both spoken words and non-verbal action at the same time.